Now, in the last part, we covered till here. Malasha's mother also came out and she asked Akolya's mother, "Why are you beating my daughter for?" And what happened then? Both of the mothers fighting with each other, and this fight turned into an angry quarrel. And hearing that some noise was going on in the lane, a crowd collected over there. A lot of people collected in the street, and everyone, without trying to know what happened, started shouting at each other, and all went on quarreling. Quarreling means fighting, and abusing each other, giving one another a push, and it had came even to blows. वो एक दूसरे को even मारना start हो गए. And when all this was happening, Akolya's old grandmother stepped out and she tried to calm them. उन्होंने उनको शांत करने की कोशिश की. She said, What are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave so? On a day like this, it's time for rejoicing and not for such folly as this. She said, on this festival of Easter, which is a time to rejoice and enjoy, this is not the right way to behave and you should not do such folly things. She tried to calm them, but no one listened to the old woman and knocked her off. So she was unable to quiet the quarrel. Meanwhile, when all these people were fighting, now what Akolya and Malasha were doing? Akolya and Malasha were busy in their own play. Now, what did they do? Akolya wiped her frock. Akolya's dress got dirty, so she cleaned her off and she went back to the puddle. And she began scraping the earth in front of the puddle. Like this is a puddle. What did she do? She began to scramble. उसने ऐसे यहाँ से सॉइल को हटाना शुरू कर दिया, गड्ढे के आसपास से सैंड को, ताकि पानी यहाँ से बाहर बह जाए. And Malasha also joined her. She took a wooden chip. उसने एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा लिया and she also helped her dig the channel. So as the people were fighting, both the girls made a channel for the water to flow out, and the water started flowing towards the people where the people were fighting. And the girls followed each other. They were playing. The water was flowing, and along with the water, both the girls were also running with the water. "Catch, Malasha, catch it," said Akolya, while Malasha could not speak for laughing. So both of them forgot that what they were fighting. As Malasha spoiled her dress, they forgot all their fight and quarrel, and what did they do? They started playing. Both of them were very delighted, and they were playing and delighted, and ran towards the group of people where the people were fighting. And when the old woman, the grandmother who came to pacify them, to calm them down, when she saw that both the girls were playing with each other and these people were fighting, she said to the crowd who were fighting, "Are you not ashamed of yourself? You were fighting on account of these little lazies." Lazies means girls. So you were fighting on account of these girls, and both of them have forgotten all about it. वो दोनों तो पूरा ये सब भूल गई है, and they have started playing happily together. Dear little souls, they are wiser than you. So these little souls, little girls, they are much more wiser, smarter than you. Now, the men looked at the little girls. When men looked that they were playing, the people over there looked at them. They also got ashamed of themselves, and then they stopped fighting and went into their houses. Now, what do we learn from this story? So there is a moral: accept your turn and become as little children. You shall in no wiser enter into the kingdom of heaven. So whenever you enter into a fight with someone, don't come on abusing, or just don't fight with anybody. What you should do, rather, you should try to calm down people. You should forget the things, let go the things. जैसे दोनों अकोल्या और मलाशा ने क्या किया, वो थोड़े से टाइम में भूल गई. They forgot everything and they started playing again, and everything became normal. Unlike the people, जो बड़े लोग क्या कर रहे थे, they were fighting. So वैसा ही you should also do. You should not fight with each other. You should try to let the things off. चीज़ों को जाने दो और आगे बढ़ जाओ, तभी you will have a good life. Thank you.